is our room before. Kitchen area right when you walk in the door. And we're actually super excited. We've never stayed in this room. It is the biggest one I've ever seen. We normally don't have this space here and I'm super excited. So we have like a little living area and then our beds. So this will be home. And we're going to quickly transform this into a much more us and livable space, and we'll show you what we do later and the items that we pack and recommend.
Oh, hey guys, let me give you a tour of where we're staying. So right now we are in the kitchen. This is where we walk in. Then the fridge.
We came stocked with all of our vitamins. Elsie needs to take calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin D. We brought lots of snacks. And then today at Target, we just picked up paper towel and toilet paper. Even though this is kind of like a hotel, it's also not necessarily, they don't supply you things with housekeeping every day, so we bring our own toiletries. I brought laundry detergent pods and dryer sheets, and then a little bag to wash my Norwex. Lots of snacks we came prepared with. Elsie, you want to show them what we just stocked in the freezer?
Yes. Lots of strawberry popsicles.
So when Elsie lengthened her first lengthening, she was 3, and then also 4. She wanted these fruit bars literally every day from the cafeteria, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
So this time we're stocked. And we have waters and Gatorade in the fridge. We also brought our own coffee maker, disinfecting wipes. Again, we don't have housekeeping every day, so we want to make sure we keep it clean. I did bring a bunch of Norwex. I hand wash all the dishes, so we brought dishwashing liquid, sponges, dish towels. We have our own plastic containers and drinkware. This will be what we eat out of. We brought a toaster oven, but not to make food. Elsie, why did we bring that?
For clay, I have a clay book and I make clay things.
And then we can bake them, right? That'll be a great stationary activity. We have lots of snacks. I have been accumulating them a lot from Aldi, some Trader Joe's, Costco stuff in there. But just kind of easy things to get us started with. We do plan to grocery shop. Oh, Elsie's favorite ramen up there. We have Coke coffee, Mom's favorite, popcorn, some chocolate bars, and rugs. That was one thing we realized quickly. Our first lengthening was there's no rugs in here. Everything in here is easy to clean, easy for wheelchairs, walkers, but we wanted rugs. So actually, I think we bought this one, our first lengthening. We brought it back here 6 years later. And now we're in the bathroom. We brought those rugs. We brought hand soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And then this is actually from our first lengthening as well, a little storage container because we realized there was nowhere to store anything. The caboodle has all my makeup in it. We probably will end up getting our own towels again because we would have to launder theirs. And if I have to launder them, I don't really want white. Right?
Yeah.
So should we move on to the living area?
Yes.
Now this was an unexpected bonus, right?
Mm-hmm.
The first time we stayed at this house long term, we didn't have a little extra like room like this. It was, the beds were in the same living space. But we have a coat rack. This is actually from 6 years ago, our first lengthening. We bought it because we had nowhere to hang anything. And even though it's summer and we probably won't need coats, we still have bags, backpacks, hats, face masks, bathrobes. We brought this back. Matt has decided he wants to live out of all of his bags the entire time. There's a little table. And this was the bonus. We never had a desk before, right, Else?
No.
So this is where Elsie and I will be editing videos. Probably just me. We have our little room unit. We have a closet over here, and what did we find fun in there? A rollaway bed for when Mila visits. She can have her own bed. We did not know that was there. We actually bought a rollaway bed from Aldi, didn't we?
Yeah.
We have Elsie's walker in there. I've hung up my clothes. Elsie hung up her clothes, all of her shoes, We can close these, our suitcases. We'll be able to close all of our, these are some bins that we moved in with, so we can just close it. We brought our own comforters, fun pillowcases, sheets from Target, because we're gonna be washing them. We are responsible for them, and I just wanted to have something different than scratchy white sheets. Elsie brought her own stuffy. They have a water machine here, so we have water bottles. And then of course, a TV. We brought our own Fire Stick, so we have access to our Netflix and whatever applications on the Fire Stick you have. You can bring it, hook it up to their TV, use their internet, and watch all your favorite things, right?
Yes.
Is that one of the best things about having surgery, is getting more TV than ever?
Yeah.
Elsie and I have put our stuff in drawers here. We also have a toy drawer for Elsie, I think, somewhere in here, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, there we go. So her fun stuff she has room for. Simple Dimple. So is this home sweet home, Elsie, for the next 8 weeks? 6 to 8 weeks, or however long we're here?
Hoping 6.
Do you remember how long it was the first time we were here? Long, I mean, we've stayed here so many times. 15, it was 15 weeks. 15 weeks is the longest we've ever stayed here. We were on the first floor the first time, but we've stayed here many times for just a couple nights, right?
Yes.
But this is our second long-term stay. So we love the HP house. Definitely not spacey, but it's homey, right? Hey, Elsa, if people want a typed out list of things that we suggest packing, where could they find it?
In the video descriptions. Toodles!